pulling off here without scraping the tile.
Guys, we also have a video showing you how to remove silicone. Go to our channel or click the link on the screen now.
Profiling tool I'm going to be using with the silicone is going to be this, and you have various sizes inside. There's 10mm, which is the one I'm going to use today. There's 8, 7, 5, and there's loads of other ones. And for tight, small spaces, you can use this. That's the silicone I'm going to be using. I use it quite a lot. So 785. So for example, what I want to do is cut the nozzle size so it matches roughly that 10mm there. So I'm going to try and do my best cutting this without cutting myself. First, you got to cut this inside nozzle first, slowly. That bit's cut there. And then you want to cut this to the right size. So remember what I said earlier, 10mm here. So probably want to match up as best as they can. Cut it a bit more smaller than you need it, just in case it is too large. So to apply the silicone, you can just use one of these standard silicone guns. Get them for about £2, £3, £5, depending on what kind of quality you want to get. Just want to say, guys,
don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
So first of all, squeeze the gun first, so you get the silicone coming right, right to the surface, and then you know that it's kind of ready to come out straight away. So let's go. Check if that nozzle size was big enough. Scraping off here, 10mm. Looks like it was alright. Look at that, zoomed in. Before it skins over, you can just go over again. You only got like 1 or 2 minutes to get this kind of sorted out. Just do a little bit at a time, only do what you can manage. All right.
Amazing.
Okay, this corner area is really tricky. Start here onwards. Let's fill it out there a little bit. Cool. Probably gonna go from this end to that end. Cool. So curve that nicely. Just make sure you have somebody to give you like little paper towels or tissues as well. Helps to clean the excess silicone that you wipe off. So switch to the wide view angle. Start here. Squeezing the gun, squeezing the gun, squeezing it. Just do one last swipe. Stuff in there. How much waste there is. Right, so you can literally barely tell, but that's the new silicone, and it's matched up with the old silicone. Pretty much seamless from the old to the new. Focus. That's it.
If this video helped, Jonathan and Lizelle would really be happy if you like and subscribe.
Joined it in with the existing vertical silicone up here. Just want to say, guys,
don't forget to like, share, subscribe.